So among all these different manifestations, here now we are explaining the 1,000-arm and 1,000-eye.
자동 대례한테 주제 성진 캠보 로고 도시신 뭐 자동전 어디 요래 지다 양비 뺨을 로고 자동전도 니부터 딱 어디 제라스 지고들 얘네 대한 남바더요 말았어.
And then within the 1,000-arm Chenrezig there are two traditions, two lineages. 1,000-arm Chenrezig derived or the lineage from the King Songtsen Gampo, the religious King Songtsen Gampo, and one is from the Gelongma Palmo. So these two in the essence are same, but in the outshow, the external aspect is slightly different.
나 개벌로고 다 제라 시스템을 다 주제 성진 로고 된 자동전도 들 개벌로고 제라.
So the tradition derived from Songtsen Gampo is known as the King's tradition. And that tradition you mainly find in the Nyingma tradition. In the Nyingma tradition, the Nyingma practice is carried on mainly accordance with the King's tradition. So in that tradition, among the 11 phases, there's only 4 or peaceful phases. The rest of the phases are wrathful phases. But then in this tradition, in the Pam's tradition, then we have only one wrathful phase.